What if I told you Canon just released a cinema camera that feels like a smartphone, but shoots like a Hollywood blockbuster? Yeah, you probably thought high-end cinematic quality meant huge, expensive gear, but Canon just flipped the script. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a camera that not only shoots 7K raw video internally, but also fits in your hands, offers dual base ISO for low light, and even creates social media-ready portrait videos, all without breaking the bank. And there's one feature that makes this camera a total game changer, something most people won't notice at first glance. Meet the Canon EOS C50, a surprisingly compact full-frame cinema camera that promises professional-grade filmmaking in a smaller, more versatile body. At its core is a brand-new 32-megapixel full-frame sensor capable of capturing over 15 stops of dynamic range, perfect for both bright daylight scenes and shadowy interiors. But that's just the start. This camera isn't just about high-resolution video. With dual native ISO of 800 and 6400, low-light shooting is no longer a compromise. And for those slow-motion fans, it handles 4K at 120 frames per second or 7K RAW at 30 FPS if you want that cinematic flexibility. What makes it even more impressive is the open gate recording mode. With a 3:2 aspect ratio, you can shoot once and crop later for both portrait and landscape formats, perfect for social media without losing cinematic quality. And Canon didn't skimp on usability. A detachable handgrip with XLR audio inputs, zoom control, and a dedicated record button makes on-the-go shooting effortless. But here's the thing that might surprise you the most. The real game changer? Despite all this, the EOS C50 starts at just $3,899. For under 4K, you're getting a camera that competes with much larger, pricier cinema rigs, and it's compact enough to take anywhere. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or social media pro, this camera truly levels the playing field. So if you've been waiting for a full-frame cinema camera that's powerful, versatile, and surprisingly affordable, Canon just answered that call. If you want to see a full hands-on review and sample footage from the EOS C50, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss this one.